In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Superscript in Adobe Express. Whether you're crafting a professional document, a creative project, or simply need to add some flair to your text, knowing how to use Superscript can be incredibly handy. Let's dive into it step by step to ensure you have a clear understanding and can apply it effortlessly. First, you'll want to open up your project in Adobe Express. Make sure everything is set up and you have your text ready to work with. Adobe Express is an intuitive tool, making this process fairly straightforward, even if you're not overly familiar with its interface. Once your project is open, turn your attention to the text box that houses the text you plan to modify. This is where the magic begins. Click on the text box to activate it. You should see some editing options appear, which will help guide you along as we proceed. You might have a variety of content in your project, but for Superscript purposes, focus only on the text you want to modify. Next, highlight the specific characters within the text box that you want to change to Superscript format. This is particularly useful for symbols like to or letters in a sequence like eth in fourth. By highlighting, you're telling Adobe Express exactly what's about to get a new, elevated look. With your desired characters highlighted, it's time to navigate to the left side panel, labeled Text or Properties panel. Here, you're going to find a plethora of choices that help tailor your text to your specific needs. Look for 3 small dots which indicate More Options. This is your next stop. Clicking on these 3 dots will reveal a series of additional formatting options that allow you to fine-tune the appearance of your text. In these options, you'll find the Superscript choice. Go ahead and select it. Instantly, you'll see your selected characters jump above the normal line of text, taking on that traditional Superscript look. It adds a professional touch, or simply the right stylistic choice where needed. For your information, there's also a subscript option available, should you need characters to fall just below the normal line. And there you have it. A seamless way to add Superscript in your Adobe Express projects. This simple feature can make a big difference in the presentation of your work, especially if you're dealing with mathematical notations, dates, or just want to make your text stand out a little more. Remember, as you get more comfortable with these tools, you'll find it easier to tailor your projects exactly to your needs, enhancing both their appearance and effectiveness. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating with Adobe Express.